Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So let's take a look again at the euro currency and try to understand what we could expect during today's trading session. Yes, the market has shown the pullback and after that has continued to move to the downside. And again, on the daily time frame, we see the nearest real support area stands between 129.11 area. That is the weekly pivot point, the weekly pivot support one, I beg your pardon. It's right here. It's 128.96 and 618 extension 129.11 from that ABCD pattern. So the potential target for the current trading session is the same. Since this will be support and today is Friday, this is not probably a bad idea to think about the taking profit around this area and start to create and think what we could do on the next week. Well, but till the end of the Friday, I suppose that area will be the dominant. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? Here you see in details how yesterday's price action has developed. So market has hit the confluence resistance and weekly pivot point. Also that was the previous swing low is right here, forming some sort of the bearish engulfing, turning down and now continue move to the downside. So you can see the 127 extension has been hit already. Since market has reversed right here, probably it still has some gravitation, some tendency to the 1618 and to complete the 618 extension target on the daily time frame. Also take a look at that swing. If you will measure the extension of that swing to the downside, you will see that 127 extension of that swing stands precisely in the area of the weekly pivot support 1. So personally, I do not exclude the possibility of appearing some sort of the butterfly in this area, since by this pattern market could trigger some pullback after reaching some significant target. If market, for instance, form here the butterfly buy, then probably that will be a nice opportunity to take profit and watch for this area. The second moment is that particularly this pattern will point for us at the real intention of the market. So market is really intends to reach this area if this pattern will be formed. But take a look that this is the 4-hour time frame, and it's hardly that market will complete this pattern in time till the end of today's trading session. So it's too few time left to the closing of this trading session. So, but this is just the one potential scenario. The second potential scenario is market could just continue to the downside. Why not? This also could happen. Well, on the hourly time frame, as you can see, a couple of moments. First of all, yesterday's price action, yesterday's retracement has taken shape of the rising wedge. And applying the classical approach to the target estimation, you should count the height of this wedge and count it to the downside in the direction of the breakout from the point of the breakouts right here. And that target points on the 129.07. That is absolutely in agreement with daily target and 1618 extension target on the 4-hour time frame. Now you can see the red line on the chart is the MACD predictor. So, and it shows that trend currently stands bullish. So price stands above this red line. But take a look how price action develops. Market not quite support the bullish trend. Market shows downward direction. That could lead to some sort of the bearish dynamic pressure, and that will lead to taking out of that low and probably to the acceleration right to the right area around 129, 129.11. That is the first potential scenario. If market will show the breakout to the downside, that is very probable. The second scenario, now I need to erase the MACD indicator and add here another one. Take a look at this one. That is 3x3 moving average. So we have nice opportunity for the double repo buy. So nice thrust to the downside, closing above the 3x3, closing below. So if market will show the close above the 3x3, that will be the confirmation bar for starting potential retracement to the upside. The minimum target of this retracement usually the 50% resistance of the swing of the double repo, of that swing. So it will be the 50%, and it will stand somewhere around the breakout area, maybe a bit lower. That will be absolutely in a row with the potential butterfly buying pattern. So that will be the left wing. The starting retracement by the double repo could form the right wing, and after that market could proceed low and taking targets that we have just specified. So in the nearest hours, two moments to watch for. The first one is that low. The second one is the potential double repo buy. So if market will form the double repo, and this will be a real double repo, no double repo failure. In this case, market could show the retracement, I suppose, in an area around 129.75 and 129.80 area, somewhere in this area, if it will be a real double repo. If market later will form the double repo failure, what is double repo failure? When market will show the close above this green line, then turns down and close below the 618 level of the recent move to the upside, small move to the upside. This will be the double repo failure. This pattern suggests some continuation to the downside. Well, so anyway, look for formation of the double repo and what the double repo will be in this area. If market will start move to the upside, watch for 129.75, 129.80 area, somewhere in this area, because that really could be the butterfly pattern. Well, but personally I think that the chances of the double repo is not so good, mostly because the significant target stands below the market. Somehow I think that the chances that market will just continue move to the downside and will pass this 20 pips distance and hit these targets, and only after that probably will turn to retracement. These chances seems to me more significant. Well, but that is just my opinion. Well, let's take a look what market will tell us and what particular patterns will be formed during the trading session. So that's been said, there are two patterns to watch for: potential butterfly, potential double repo, that could lead to forming of this butterfly by the retracement, or that could be just a breakout to the downside, mostly based on this move to the downside that doesn't support the current bullish trend, and that could lead to the acceleration to the downside. That is one thing that we have seen on the daily time frame, if you recall. Remember that in that area. So here was also the bearish dynamic pressure when the market doesn't support it, and that leads to the continuation to the downside. So that could happen again, but on the hourly time frame. So keep an eye on this closely and pull the trigger only when you'll see some clear signs, some clear moments that when market will show its real intention, what it intends to do.